Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Siapa Sisters. And as you can see, today Karisha is missing because she couldn't come here due to Corona. But this video had to be made today because it's my birthday, and we wanted to do this together, but due to Corona we cannot. So today I will be decorating my room. So just a little room makeover, room decor. And first of all, I want to show you my room. It is like really super messy. So yeah, one second. So this is my room. I know it's like super messy, but I'm gonna fix it right now. So I'm gonna start by removing all these books and clearing my bed. So let's go. So I have cleaned my room. I actually also cleaned my cupboard, so my mom is gonna be like really happy. And I don't know why I've been doing this since like 2-3 days. Okay, so just see. One mirror, two mirror, one mirror, two mirror, one mirror, two mirror. Okay, sorry. So now we'll start decorating. So I have these fairy lights here which my friends gifted me. So thank you. Special credits to Riddhi, Kittu and Mansi for this. And I have these pictures with me. So I'm going to remove this frame, this photo, and I'm going to put the fairy lights and then attach the pictures to it, and it's going to look really pretty. So let's start. So I'm going to remove this painting. And I'll ask my mom to remove these nails as well. Lights together. Lights very difficult to put these lights without any help. Okay? So now we put the second light. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So I'm now gonna turn it on and put the pictures. It's not focusing. Turning on the lights, and it's already looking very beautiful. And now I'm gonna start putting the photos. So this one is my Manali picture. I went to Manali last year with all my college friends. This is a family picture with all my cousins and my masis. Then again, this is a picture of my Manali trip. This is Vanshika. She is my childhood friend and we are in the same college. And I think the pictures are weighing down the lights, I guess. I don't know. This is my mom. And this is of Karisha's birthday. This is Sanchit. This is the other Siapa sister, Karisha. This is a family picture with my parents and my brother. ये मेरे पापा के साइड पे सारे cousins हैं, so I'm the only sister among them, and these are all my brothers. And then this is a college picture of mine. Oh shit. Then this is again a family picture. This is a picture from Manali with Kritika. This is a family picture of Jaipur. We went to a trip, and this is my college best friends, our group. This is Kritika, this is Riddhi, and Mansi never shows her face in any of the picture. I actually had one picture, but it didn't come out clear, so I'm not putting it. Then this is one from my college, and this is with all the ladies. And this is like really cute. This is my sibling Pratham, and it is our childhood picture, and like we used to look so cute, especially him. अभी इसको पता नहीं क्या हो गया, बिल्कुल क्यूट नहीं रहा. And then this is again all the मासीज and my cousins. This is from my school farewell. अब तो फेयरवेल मिलेगा नहीं क्योंकि कॉलेज खत्म और कोरोना की वजह से नो फेयरवेल. And this is again my picture. So I think it looks like really pretty. I'm so happy. Wait, I'll turn off the lights and show you. 1 second. I'll turn off all the lights. Wow. I think I'm gonna fix it a little bit. I'll actually ask my mom to do this because she's amazing at all this stuff. She'll just fix all the pictures once, but it looks like really good. I'm very happy, and thank you everyone so much for the lights and these memories. So I'm gonna remove these two frames. This I got because I was the school topper in accounts. तो 3 साल तक बहुत flex कर लिया. So I'm just gonna put it in my cupboard now. And I'm gonna put something else here, probably a plant and 2 fairy lights in a jar, which I'm gonna show you right now. So, but first let me just put it aside. So I have got this bamboo plant from Ferns and Petals, which is known for releasing these positive energies. And I'm gonna put fairy lights in these 2 jars, and I'm gonna arrange it on my TV cabinet. So I'm gonna start putting the fairy lights in this. I really wish Karisha would be here with me to make this birthday special. Actually, बचपन में जब भी मेरा बर्थडे होता था तो Salonidhi used to do something like really special every year for me. But now she's in US. And actually I feel that I've been very pampered, even from my elder brothers, and even my mom pampers me like a lot. Okay, so I'm done with this jar. I'm gonna put the fairy lights in this jar now. So I'm gonna put the bamboo plant here. This is a picture of me with my grandfather, and this is of my childhood, like I was really small. So I've put some marbles and jellies in the bamboo plant, and now I'm gonna put my fairy lights jar. Is this in center? I guess so. And I'm gonna put the next jar here and turn on the lights. I'll turn off the lights and show you. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I think it looks really good with these lights and then this hole. It looks good. Okay, so now I have this light board and all these letters and numbers and symbols to write something on the light board, and then I'm gonna put it on my side table. So I'm just gonna Pinterest some ideas, some quotes for my light box, because I cannot think one on my own. So I'm just gonna Pinterest. I actually also have this whiteboard with me. I wanted to write something on this, but currently I'm writing my study schedule on it, which I cannot remove. I really hope that DU cancels our exam, by the way. मतलब कि सबने cancel कर दिया. बाहर कोरोना चल रहा है, इनको बच्चों के exams लेने हैं. Like it's too much pressure on kids. कर दो, please cancel. So I'm just gonna. Oh, I like this one. Stay in bed. But no. It's all related to stay in bed and sleep, which is not bad actually. I think I'm gonna write should I write something related to my birthday? First of all, I'm like 21. I've become 21, which feels really huge. Okay, I'm still a kid. I feel 18. I'm not ready for 21. So, oh wait, okay. I'm gonna write one day at a time, which is like I keep saying to everyone, one day at a time. So okay, I'm just gonna write one day at one day is 8 by one day इसमें कैमरा उल्टा आएगा one day at I really like this like box, but it only has 2 alphabets, like 2 cards of each alphabet, so I only have 2 A. So I have to make the third A with V and the 4. So I'm gonna just place so say V को उल्टा करके place it on 4, which should look like an A. One day at a time. So I should write it in one line only, and then put some symbols in the last one. One day at a T-I-M. It is not fitting, so I'm gonna put time in the third line only. One day at a one day at a time. I really hope that I will take my room like this clean. I know कि सारे कपड़े और बुक्स वापस 2 दिनों में बाहर आ जाएगा. But let's see. One day at a. I'm not sure how to place it, but I'm gonna put a heart and a star in the bottom line. I'm just gonna start everything from the extreme left corner instead of putting it in the center. I think it will be much better than this. At a time. Yeah, looks good, I guess. So इसमें उल्टा लिख रहा होगा. Camera में, but this is how it looks. One day at a time. This looks pretty. I'm gonna just light it up and put it on my bedside table. So this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. I cannot turn on this lamp because this lamp is of yellow shade and it's not matching with the white one. But when I'll turn on the lamp, so I'll turn off the light box, but it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna steal this lamp from my lobby and put it in my room. I'm gonna put it next to my mirror. I hope my mom doesn't say anything for this, but it looked better in my room, guys. So I'm putting this lamp next to this mirror. Actually, I wanted to put lights, पर मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा light हो जाए. Okay, this is also a light, पर बहुत ज़्यादा fairy lights हो जाएगा. इसलिए I'm just putting this lamp, so whenever I get ready, तो एक ऐसा अच्छा सा shade आ रहा है. So looks good. And this is the cabinet. This is the mirror. और मैंने यहाँ पे मैट भी लगा दिया है. It looks pretty. This is the whole room. And so now I'm gonna call my parents and my nanny to show them the room, and I'm gonna record their reaction. So yay! Are you all ready to see my room?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Enter.
Wow. One day at a
तुम
time.
हट जा प्लीज.
Lovely. Good.
ये लैम्प मैंने बाहर से चुराया है.
It's okay. You can have it permanently over here.
थैंक यू.
Very good.
लाइट में चलाओ.
Okay.
One day at a time.
Nice.
Good.
Good. Very good.
और सारी फोटोज देखो जाकर.
Perfect.
सारी फोटोज देखो.
Beautiful. Have you done dusting in your room?
Yes, I have.
That's good.
इसमें और मैंने बताया भी है सबको कि my mom will be very happy to see my room this clean in 21 years.
जार कहाँ से है?
Exactly.
हमारे घर में से बहुत सारे चॉकलेट के जार्स पड़े हुए हैं.
तो इसमें क्या डाला हुआ?
लाइट्स, फेरी लाइट्स है ये.
Lovely name. I can't believe it.
आप कुछ कहना
I can't
चाहेंगे?
imagine your room
This clean? It will get messy again within 2 days.
2 days? 2
Yes.
hours. I must say that. Very nice.
So this was my parents and my nanny's reaction to my room, and it looks really pretty, but I know it will get messy within 2 days, but I'm not gonna remove the fairy lights.
You take this
and this lamp,
resolution. You take this resolution on your birthday that you will keep your room.
and you take
the
this
same way.
resolution कि जब भी room खराब होगा, you'll come and clean it on your own.
Oh, on my own.
Yes.
Your room. You have to do it on your own. Great job, Neha.
Yay!
Hey guys, so Nadia has worked really hard for this video, And I really hope that we make the next video together. But for now, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.